What is data entry? Welcome back to our channel, everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of data entry. Data entry is an essential task in many industries. Understanding its significance can be beneficial for both job seekers and professionals alike. So, let's get started with our exploration of what data entry is all about. To put it simply, data entry refers to the process of inputting, organizing, and managing data into various systems, databases, or spreadsheets. It involves converting information from physical or digital sources to a structured format that can be easily accessed and analyzed. Data entry is crucial because accurate and up-to-date data is the backbone of decision-making in numerous fields, such as finance, healthcare, retail, and more. Now, let's discuss some common examples of data entry tasks. One of the most basic forms of data entry is typing information from physical documents, like invoices, forms, or surveys, into a digital format. This could involve entering names, addresses, numbers, or any other relevant data points. Similarly, data entry can also involve transcribing audio recordings or converting handwritten notes into digital files. Another aspect of data entry is maintaining databases. Many organizations rely on databases to store and manage their data effectively. Data entry professionals are responsible for ensuring that the information in these databases is accurate, consistent, and properly organized. They may also need to update the database regularly to reflect new or modified data. Accuracy is key in data entry because even small errors can have significant consequences. Data entry professionals must pay close attention to detail, double-check their work, use appropriate software tools to validate and verify the accuracy of the entered data. This ensures that the data remains reliable, can be used for various purposes like analysis, reporting, or decision-making. With advancements in technology, data entry tasks have also evolved. Automated data entry processes, such as optical character recognition, OCR, have become increasingly popular. OCR technology enables computers to recognize and extract data from scanned documents or images, reducing manual effort and increasing efficiency. Many companies outsource their data entry tasks to specialized service providers or hire data entry professionals internally. For those interested in pursuing a career in data entry, having good typing speed, accuracy, attention to detail, familiarity with data entry software are valuable skills to possess. There are also online courses and certifications available to enhance your knowledge and improve your chances of landing a data entry job. So, whether you're considering data entry as a profession or simply want to understand its role in today's data-driven world, it's essential to recognize its importance and the skills required to excel in this field. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this explanation helpful in understanding what data entry is all about. If you have any questions or want us to cover any other topics related to data entry, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy data entering! Thanks for watching.